Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to turn off your comments on an Instagram post while posting it. Now if you want to turn off your comment off the Instagram post while posting it but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Instagram app, and this is the home page of Instagram where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the stories and the other posts kept by other people at the upper taskbar. Now to turn off the comment while posting on Instagram, you just need to click on the option of plus icon, and from here you just need to select the post which you want to post. So I'll simply click on this and click on the option of next, and from here you may simply select or animate or simply edit the photos, and after doing all of it click on the option of next, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of more options. So click on it, and here you will see the option of turn off commenting. So simply enable it and go back to your post, and here you will see the option of share which is highlighted on blue. So after clicking on the option of share, the post will be shared to your feed and the comment will be off. So I'll simply click on the option of share for now, and here as you can see the comment has already been offed on my Instagram post. So that's it. That's how you can turn off the comments on your Instagram post while posting it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.